Most women over 50 are one capsule wardrobe away from looking effortlessly put together every single day. But nobody ever shows them exactly what goes in it. Until now. Getting dressed should feel good. But for so many women over 50, it doesn't. It feels like a puzzle with missing pieces. You have clothes, lots of them, but nothing that truly works together. Nothing that makes you walk out the door feeling like yourself. And that is not a you problem. That is a wardrobe problem. Summer makes it even harder. The heat, the trends that seem designed for teenagers, the confusion about what actually works for your body and your life right now. But here is the truth. Looking elegant and put together in summer has nothing to do with age. It has everything to do with having the right pieces. A small, powerful collection of items that work together effortlessly. That is what a capsule wardrobe is. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to build yours. A capsule wardrobe is a small set of pieces that all work together. Every item fits well, feels good, and mixes with everything else in your closet. No guessing. No wasted money. No more standing in front of a full wardrobe with nothing to wear. For women over 50, this approach is powerful. You already know your style. Now your wardrobe just needs to catch up. So let's get into exactly what belongs in your summer capsule. Let's start with the foundation. The pieces that do the heavy lifting in any elegant summer wardrobe. The white linen shirt. This is the backbone of your summer capsule. A well-fitted white linen shirt works over a swimsuit at the beach, tucked into trousers for lunch, or open over a slip dress in the evening. Linen keeps you cool, looks effortlessly chic, and gets better with every wash. This is the one piece that earns its place every single day. The tailored linen trousers. Forget tight jeans in the summer heat. Linen trousers in a neutral tone, think ivory, camel, or soft taupe, are comfortable, breathable, and look incredibly polished. Wide leg or straight cut both work beautifully. Pair them with your white shirt and you already have a complete, elegant outfit. The midi dress. Every summer capsule needs one great dress. A midi length is the most flattering and versatile option for women over 50. Look for a relaxed fit in a solid neutral or a subtle print. Something you can dress up with sandals and a small bag, or keep casual with flat slides and sunglasses. The lightweight blazer. Yes, even in summer. A blazer in linen or a cotton blend instantly elevates any outfit. Throw it over your midi dress for dinner. Wear it with trousers for a meeting or a day in the city. Choose a neutral, sand, white, or soft beige, and it will work with everything in your capsule. The flat leather sandal. Comfort and elegance are not opposites. A simple, flat sandal in tan, nude, or white ties every outfit together without effort. No heels required. The right sandal makes you look polished and feels good all day long. The structured tote. One quality bag changes everything. A structured tote in a neutral leather or linen finish works for every occasion. Beach, city, dinner. It does not need to be expensive. It just needs to look clean, simple, and intentional. These 6 pieces form the core of your summer capsule. Mix and match them, and you have over 15 outfit combinations without even trying. How to style it all together. Now let's put it into practice. Here are 3 effortless summer outfits using only the pieces we just covered. Outfit 1, the everyday elegant look. White linen shirt, tailored linen trousers, flat leather sandals, and your structured tote. Simple, clean, polished. This outfit works for a morning coffee, a shopping trip, or lunch with friends. Add a delicate gold necklace, and you are done. Outfit 2, the effortless evening look. Your midi dress, the lightweight blazer, and flat sandals. No overthinking, no stress. Just a combination that looks like you tried, even when you didn't. This is the power of a capsule wardrobe. Outfit 3, the weekend look. white linen shirt worn open over your midi dress, flat sandals, and your tote. Relaxed but intentional. Stylish without being overdressed. Now here is what most people miss. The magic of a capsule wardrobe is not just in the pieces. It is in the fit. Every item should fit your body right now, not the body you had 10 years ago or the one you are working towards. Clothes that fit well make you look and feel incredible at any size. The second thing people miss is color. Keeping your capsule in a tight, neutral palette means everything works together automatically. Ivory, white, camel, taupe, soft olive. These colors complement each other and suit almost every skin tone beautifully. Now, if neutrals are not your thing, that is completely fine. A capsule wardrobe does not have to be beige and white. It just needs to be intentional. Pick one or two colors that genuinely light you up. A soft terracotta, a dusty blue, a warm coral, or a sage green. These tones work beautifully in summer and still mix together easily. And prints? Absolutely. A subtle stripe, a delicate floral, or a classic geometric can add personality without making your wardrobe harder to style. The key is to keep your prints in the same color family as your neutrals. That way, everything still works together, and you never have to think too hard about getting dressed. The goal is a wardrobe that feels like you, whether that is soft and minimal or warm and colorful. And finally, fabric matters more in summer than any other season. Natural fabrics like linen, cotton, and silk blends breathe, drape well, and look expensive. Avoid synthetic fabrics that cling and trap heat. Your comfort is part of your elegance. Style over 50 is not about following rules. It is about making intentional choices. A capsule wardrobe gives you that. Less to think about, more confidence every single day. But the foundation is just the start. The details, the accessories, the small things that take an outfit from nice to unforgettable. That is where the real magic happens. And that is exactly what we are covering next.